Hey everybody, today I'm going to be teaching you D major chord. The notes for D major chord are D, F sharp, A. That is on the root position. Then we have the first inversion. The first inversion is F sharp, A, D. And then we have the second inversion, that is A, D, F sharp. So that's the root inversion, first inversion, second inversion, right? So that's the D major chord. Now, the song that comes to mind when you play a D major chord is Summer of '69, and this is how it's played. On the left hand, I'm going to be playing the chord, and on the right hand, I play the melody. So it goes like this. Now, I'll show you how to play this slowly. I'll play it even more slower now. Hey everybody, I hope you learned something new and informative today. And dear friends, I want to bring to your notice a music course that I've set up, and it's a free music course for anybody who want to learn to sing and play the piano. Dear friends, for more than a decade, I've been performing at different hotels, different performance concerts, and this experience I want to bring to anybody. Now, this music course is for regular people who want to learn to sing and play the piano. So if you are a person who wants to learn to sing and play the piano and you're not that great at playing the piano, you're not that great at singing, dear friends, I want you to take this up. It's a free music course. It's introductory level where you can get an understanding of what it takes. I'm going to show you what it takes to go step by step to be able to sing and play the piano. Welcome, dear friends. I hope to see you there at the course. Bye-bye.